Guys, Daniel here from Rushfaster, and today we are checking out the Chrome Barrage Cargo Backpack. This is one of the most popular backpacks from US-based brand Chrome, and actually one of the favorite bags for myself and our team. Actually, we've got a few guys in the office that rock this backpack, and for a really good reason as well. So let's check it out now. Starting with the front, big thing that stands out about this bag, first up, is the cargo net here in the front, which is expandable as well. So you can put like your jacket, your bike helmet, something like that, anything you want, just you can pop it in here and then use these compression straps to tighten the load and make sure it doesn't come out. Not only is it functional and super heavy duty, it makes the bag look super cool and really unique. You don't see too many bags just like this. Also, we've got the Chrome branding on the front there and a heavy duty tarpaulin panel there and on the bottom as well. So obviously you get most wear and tear on backpacks right at the bottom. So the heavy duty panel here really comes in handy. Check out the side. Cool, we've got our compression straps here for the cargo net here. Got a water bottle holder as well. My Kinto water bottle goes in there quite nicely. Can also use the compression strap there just to like make sure this doesn't come out. So that's really good. On the other side, we have exactly the same. On the front here, we've got this little zippered section here. We've got a pocket that goes in about that big, and you can use that to put your phone, put something that you need to grab easily. Not many people are going to see that on your back as well, so it's probably pretty secure at the same time. Let's check out the back system. The Chrome signature little buckle here on the sternum strap. This is a high density molded foam, probably EVA foam back system with air channels as well, and a bit of Chrome branding if you can see that. So quite a nice, high quality and durable back system. The straps attach at the top of that back system. They're really sewn in quite well, which is good. They're not going to come apart from the bag. These straps are quite heavy duty, as with the rest of the bag. We've got some D-rings here and some loops to attach things if you wish. So these are the Chrome custom metal tension locks that come on a lot of their bags. Super cool and really heavy duty, obviously. Of course, at the top we've got the seatbelt style grab handle, and we've got this heavy duty, real thick buckle. Also, something good to note, this little strip here is reflective, as are the strips here on the loops of the back straps. They're really good if you're using this in a cycling environment. So let's open it up and have a look inside. It's a nice big chunky buckle. The exterior of this bag is 1050D nylon, and the interior, I just remove my padding. The interior here, if you can see, is a tarpaulin, like a waterproof tarpaulin. So that's really good. If you're riding in the rain, I think your gear is going to be pretty safe in this bag. You got that tarpaulin the whole way through. So in terms of what's inside the bag, we don't have much of an organization section. We don't have anything at all, but we do have, a little bit hard to show you, but we do have right at the back a non-padded laptop section. Fits my 15-inch MacBook Pro in just fine, and it'll probably fit a little bit bigger than that as well. If it doesn't, then you can easily put your laptop into a laptop sleeve and just put it in the bag. So that's the interior of the bag, nice and easy. It's in a light gray as well, which makes it a little bit easy to find what's in your bag. So guys, this is the Chrome Barrage Cargo. It's a 22-liter backpack. Looks super awesome, comes in a bunch of different colors. It's available from rushfaster.com, comes highly recommended. A lot of the guys here use this bag themselves. Pretty awesome looking, heavily detailed, well built backpack from Chrome. And guys, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing or leaving a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.